Good morning. I'm here with an unboxing. I got my first FairyLoot box. Now I've already broke the tape and kind of upset with my mail person because instead of bringing it to the door, they squished it to fit in the mailbox and left the mailbox open. And it's kind of been rainy at night, and I did not know that this was delivered at all. But luckily, it did not get rained on. But let's see what it is. Yeah. So, okay, this paper. Ooh. So, crowned by the stars. Okay, so this is the FairyLoot Romantasy book only. And let's see what book it is. It is in bubble wrap. I know they used to do the little bags, but I'm fine with bubble wrap too. That's fine too. So, no, this is not for you. It's for me. Ooh, it's pretty. Okay, so. Warrior Princess Assassin. Huh? It's gorgeous. So, purple. Oh. Yes. And then the back. I can choose how to face my destiny. Okay, I couldn't tell there was space in between. I can choose how to face my destiny. So, oh, okay. This has a reversible dusk jacket, and I think I like this one. I like this one a lot. In the book, it is gorgeous. Hey, okay, you need to see it. Okay, sit right there. You were a bad girl yesterday, and I still remember that. Okay, so. I think that's a real signature. Yeah. That's what it looks like, at least. And then let's see the back. Gorgeous. Okay, let me put the dust jacket back on, because I don't want it messed up. I love the end pages. And the foil, because there's foil on both. Okay, then oh, there's a letter from the author, and I'm pretty sure that's printed. That's all printed. And let's see, a note from the author, which is probably in all the books. It has a little map. I always like the maps. And the princess. Okay, let's see what the book is about. Who should you trust? Warrior King Maddox Cryon's fire magic has earned him a ruthless reputation, but now his kingdom is slowly burning, a blaze he cannot control, and his one chance to save it is a marriage alliance with the neighboring royal family. of Astrenza and their power to manipulate the weather. Who should you love? With war on the horizons, Princess Jory's home needs this alliance, but her family is hiding a dangerous secret. Their magic is fading. When she meets her intended, he sets her heart aflame. But what will he do when he realizes she is deceiving him? Okay, I think I'm going to enjoy this one. I've never heard anything about it. It's by Bridget Krimmer, but I'm excited. I'm excited. And I saw the, can you chill? Can you chill just for a minute? Give me a minute. I saw the next one and I'm debating if I want it or not. Like I said, this is my first FairyLoot. Now, for me to keep the subscription up, I gotta do two things. Pay bills first. And I have to read this within 30 days. Otherwise, I'm not allowed to get the next one. So I'll get September's book, okay? I have 30 days of getting this one to read it, or I'm not allowed to get October's. Does that make sense? Okay, but anyway, I love it. It's gorgeous. It's gonna be so pretty on the shelf. And it sounds like a good book. I can't wait to read it. But anyway, that is it. A very short unboxing. And I will see you on Monday with my regular floss tube. Have a great day.